Hello, I'm Alexander Khalikov. I work with integration software for many years. Please subscribe to my channel and give a like to that video. In that video, I will show you how blazing fast Kafka can be. Let's code! Everybody's using Kafka. Manufacturing is using Kafka. Telcos are using Kafka. Banks are using Kafka. Why? Because Kafka might be used for different use cases. Kafka is messaging. Kafka is an event streaming platform. Kafka is a middleware integration layer. And Kafka might be fast, very fast. And today we will find out how fast can it be. We will test a different implementation of Kafka, which is Redpanda. Redpanda is a different implementation compared to Apache Kafka because it is written in C++. It's single binary C++ engine, and it claims to be 10 times more performant. Redpanda's community is very friendly. You can find them on GitHub, and from GitHub what you can find. This is an official GitHub for Redpanda. You can find how to install it on basically any operating system. So for macOS you can use the standard package manager, which is Homebrew, and to install it on your machine you just need to brew install Redpanda. Let's deploy a local cluster of Redpanda's Kafka. I will use my beloved Docker Compose, and I will spin up a cluster of 3 brokers. So I will use Docker Compose up -d because I want to run it in detach mode. And I will go to my local host, port 8080, and you can see that I have a local Redpanda cluster spin up and running on my M1 Mac. Currently I don't have any topics here. What I will do, I will use my benchmark that I wrote in Golang to find out how fast can I process 100,000 messages, 1,000,000 messages, and 2 million messages in Redpanda Kafka. Let's start with a topic with the name of 1K benchmark. I will use just one producer, so it should be about 100,000 messages published to Kafka. Let's start with that, and we're done. We're already done. We did it in 0.71 of a second. And let's go back to the console for Redpanda, and you can see that the size of it is 186 megabytes. We had 10 partitions and 3 replicas, and let's go to the topic itself. And from here you can see that the estimate number of messages is 100,000 of messages. So keep that in mind. 100,000 messages were processed in 0.71 of a second. Let's find out how far can we go. Let's run it in the following way. I'll go for 1 million messages with 10 producers. So we're going to test it using Golang Go routines to run 10 producers at the same time. Running a test for 1 million messages. And we're done. We've done it in 5.5 seconds. Let's go back to our console. And from now, you can see that we have 2 topics. And that second topic got the size that is 10 times more compared to our previous topic. We can see that the estimate number of messages is 1 million. And now the latest benchmark that we're going to run is a benchmark for 2 million messages. So the topic name will be 2 million benchmark, and the number of producers will be 20. And keep in mind that I'm not running it on a cloud, I'm running it on a local, very small computer, which is my Mac. Let's just give it a go, I guess. So we're creating a topic, 2 million benchmark, and we are hoping that it will work. And it worked. And let's dive into the topic itself. And you can see that the number of messages that we produce to Redpanda Kafka is 2 million. And how much time was required to process 2 million messages? It's just 8.5 seconds. So this is how fast your Kafka can be. I'm running it just on a local machine, but imagine what you can do with a data center, or what can you do with a cloud like AWS or IBM Cloud or Azure. Sky is the limit for this implementation of Kafka. Thank you very much. I hope you liked that video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm Alexander Khalikov and see you in next video. Bye!